Actually, of course, it's Mom who takes care of both. For Baby, naturally the best. And for that other member of the family, again the best. America's most trusted dog food, Kennel Ration. Every can of Kennel Ration is packed with nourishing, lean red meat from the choice cuts of U.S. government-inspected horse meat. It contains other essential ingredients and is fortified with every vitamin and mineral, every nutrient a dog is known to need. Chlorophyllin, too. Yes, your dog's a member of the family, too. Give him health and happiness with Kennel Ration, America's most trusted dog food.
Now, Quaker invites you to enjoy The Adventures of Ozzie and Harriet.